Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've built this WooCommerce shop site here. This is part of a course we did online. If you want to take the course, I've got a discount coupon below this video if you want to learn how to build this particular site. We used a free template and a free WordPress build to build this site here. It's a clothing store with all kind of different things and accessories and bits and pieces. What we're going to do in this series of video, we're going to install a plugin called Elementor, which will allow us to build extra pages. We've got plenty of pages on here. But what it's going to do is allow us to build real custom style pages. So follow along with this series and we'll show you how to build some great things using the Elementor plugin. Okay, today, scroll on down to where we left off, we're going to build some progress bars. Very easy to use. You see them on a lot of sites nowadays. Like I say, very easy to build, I should have said. You see them on a lot of sites. They're very popular for demonstrating your sales figures or whatever figures you happen to want to showcase. So let's get started. I've got a page open with Elementor at the moment. So let's go down to where we left off in the last video. And let's do a new section. I'm going to do a single column. And inside of this column, we want to put our progress bars. So I'm going to click on the matrix. And there we have it, progress bar. Let's drag this into our new section. And there it is. Right away you can see it's put a title in there and it's put a progress bar with 50% progress on there, which is great. So let's go and style it. I think I want just something written inside the progress bar. I don't think I want the title showing. So let's do that. Let's get rid of the title. And inside, let's call the first one dresses, I suppose. Background color. Well, actually, that's the background color. The main color, I want to make it the same as this. So let's click on this section and steal the color. So I'm clicking on the section edit tab. Going to go to the style and there's the background color. So I'm going to pinch that bit of hex code, go back to our progress bar. Let's go to the style and put that color in. There we go. That's what we want. So if we go back to the content tab, like I say, we removed our title. You can have these will actually just change the color, but I've just done that anyway. Default is obviously that light blue. Info, I think, is another blue. Success is green. Warnings orange, and danger usually is red, I believe. Now you can choose whether or not to show or hide that percentage tab. I'm going to hide it because I don't want this in percent. I want to make this sort of sales numbers or something like that. So I'm going to put that to hide. And let's say make this 65. Making these numbers up, obviously, on the top of my head. Okay, what other options have we got with this? We've got a height option, so you can make them bigger or smaller. And border radius, if you want to curve the edges, if we bring this up, well, in fact, I'll just put a number in here, type a number. You can have round or curved edges at the end there, but I don't. I want mine square, so let's put that back to 0. And you've got a choice for your inner text color. I'm not actually going to change that. That's fine. And of course, you've got the regular typography styles. And you've got the similar for the title, but we've removed our title, so there's no point going in there and playing with that. Advanced, we've got our usual padding and margin, z-index, IDs and classes, and then the regular motion effects. We'll be doing motion effects in another video there. So at the moment, I'm pretty happy with the way that's displaying. Obviously, we're going to want some padding on the top, but I'm going to put the other bars in and then we'll do the padding on the section. So all I'm going to do is going to go up here, right click, duplicate. There we are. Click on the new one and say shirts. Let's make that 82%, don't know why. Duplicate again. Simple rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat, I should say. That's pants. Forgotten what else we sell actually. Let's do accessories. And let's make that a nice 93%. And I'm going to leave it there. We can add, I'm sure you get the idea. Now all I'm going to do is go to my section here and add a little bit of padding top and bottom. I'm going to uncheck that because I don't really want any left and right. I'm going to put 100 on the top. Maybe too much, I don't know. I think that's fine. And 100 on the bottom. And that's pretty much all I want to do with that. I mean, very simple, but it is pretty effective. If we go up to, if I update and preview the changes, you can see that it animates and they go from left to right when we view them. So let's preview our changes and scroll down to where we were. There we go. So there you have it. How to add a progress bar section using the Elementor builder. I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.